Our third example here is simplify each expression using exponential notation. Again, we have a division problem that we will need to simplify using exponents. I have taken our expression and rewritten it in expanded form. As you can see, our denominator does not have an a, but I will multiply by a 1, so that way we have 3 separate fractions we can work with. All right, so let's get simplifying. Since we have nothing to combine, we will leave a to the 7th over 1 as is for now. B to the 6th over b to the 10th can be expanded out like this. We are now going to start canceling 1 for 1. B divided by b is 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 1. And b divided by b is 1. So as you can see, our top, all we have left is 1. And down here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So b to the 4th is what's left. So we will write that here. C to the 8th divided by c to the 9th can be expanded out like this. We will start canceling out just like we did with our b's. C divided by c is equal to 1. 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 And c divided by c is equal to 1. As you can see, all of these became 1s on the top, so we have 1. And then all of these are 1s times a c is a c left on the bottom. So now we have a to the 7th over 1 times 1 over b to the 4th times 1 over c. So we multiply our numerators. A to the 7th times 1 is a to the 7th. 1 times b to the 4th times c is b to the 4th times c. So that is our final answer.